Welcome to this new lecture, which is part of speech tagging in NLP. In NLP, the term POS refers to part of speech. Part of speech tagging refers to the process of tagging words within a sentences with their respective part of speech. We extract the past of speech of tokens consulting a sentence so that we can filter out the POS that are of interest and then analyze them. For example, if we look at the sentence, the sky is blue, we get four tokens, which are the sky is and blue with the help of tokenization process. Now using a POS tagger, we tag the POS for each word or token. This will look as follows. The first tag is B and its part of speech DT. DT means determinant. Sky is noun, is a verb present tense or third person. VBZ represents a verb present tense or third person singular. Blue is a Blue is a adjective. These are the part of speeches of the words. Now we do exercise to understand the concept of pose tagging. In this exercise, we will find out the PO part of speech for each word in the sentence. For example, I am reading NLP fundamentals. We first make use of tokenization in order to get the tokens. Later, we will use the POS underscore tag method, which will help us find the part of speech for each word or token. Follow these steps to implement this exercise. First, we open a Jupyter or Colab notebook and then insert a new cell and add the following code to import the necessary library. For example, from NLTK is a well famous or popular natural language processing library. This library has the functions word underscore tokenized and part of speech in POS underscore tag method. Run the cell. Okay. To find the tokens in the sentence, we make use of word underscore tokenize method. First, we define a user-defined function get underscore tokens and pass our parameter sentence. Then we make a variable words and call the function word underscore tokenize, which is available in NLTK library, and then pass our sentence and return words. Run this one. Next, print the token with the help of the built-in print function of Python language. To implement this, add a new cell and write the following code. Okay. Call our user-defined function get underscore tokens and pass our sentence I am reading NLP fundamentals. And we shall now use the part of speech underscore tag method, insert a new cell and add the following code. Make a user defined function get underscore pose words and return POS underscore tag. This is a built-in function and already available in NLTK library, and pass our words. And then we call this function and pass this sentence. Actually, this is not a syntax. Actually, these are the list of tokens. Okay, these are. There is some errors. Okay. Oh, thank you. This is the error. This is import NLTK. Okay, no, it will be fine. Actually, punct algorithm is used to tokenize the words of a sentence. Now run the cells. Okay, okay. These are the list of our tokens, and now we have a list of separated words of a sentence. I am reading NLP fundamentals. I is separate word, and now we see the part of speech of which type of part of speech contain I. Okay, now run the cell. Okay. Sorry, this is a already algorithm which is a built-in NLTK library for which is used for part of speech tagging. Hope now it will be fine. Run this now. Very good. This is our I is a preposition, M is a verb, reading is verb, NLP noun, pronoun, fundamentals also noun. So these are the part of speech of these words. So this is our whole concept of part of speech tagging in natural language processing. So thank you very much and see you in the next lecture for another topic of natural language processing.